Hi everyone, it's Sarah Fox here from Mokum. I'm the voice behind the camera today. All I want to do today, other than talk about the amazing colours of the revamped and revised Tahiti and the stunning tweed Gabrielle from Mokum, instead I really just want to talk about the practical attributes of FibreGuard and why it's such a great choice for home and commercial, anywhere where you want to be brave and choose the white sofa. Now you can. So the goal really with FibreGuard is to be super simple with cleaning. Most things should be able to be blotted out with just water. So I've got some water, I've got some white tissue here, and this is pan which I've just applied to this gorgeous piece of Tahiti chenille. Initially what you want to try and do is blot as much as you can out of the surface. Most things will come out with just water, and you can use a plain white tissue. A little bit more stubborn stains will require a microfiber cloth, so I'll get to that shortly. So this is looking a little bit more stubborn than needing just water, so we'll just get a little bit of this plain, this is an uncoloured mild soap, and we'll just start working a little bit of soap into the ink to pull it off the surface of the cloth. You don't want to rub it in, you just want to be really gentle with your touch. It doesn't require hard work or hard rubbing of the surface. And then you want to start using a little bit more water just to get the soap out of the pile. Just a gentle circular motion is all you need. And this is just a microfiber cloth I'm using now. Just a kind of, anything soft like this, like a hand towel would be fine as well. It's just something gentle that's not going to leave anything on the surface or abrade the surface at all. So there you go, we've managed to get ink out of this incredible shade, pale shade of Tahiti. And then you just want to let that air dry. So now we've got tomato sauce. So I'm just going to scrape as much as I can off the surface to get that problematic bit out of the way. And then we're just going to have a crack at this with just water. So you can see the mark that it's left behind. When you use a white paper towel, you just want to blot really gently. And you'll keep applying water and keep blotting until you can't see any traces of that stain or that tomato sauce on your tissue anymore. So we just keep going. It looks like it's all coming out. I can see a tiny bit of colour left, so I'll just have one more little spray of water. I know we've got a spray bottle, it looks super professional, but you can just have a bowl of water or a glass of water to do this at home. There you go. So that's lifted both of those pretty common household stains out of those cloths. You can be brave now with things like ivory, these lovely soft shades, which we're seeing a lot in these comforting sort of interior trends coming through. Everyone wants to feel comforted and in a sanctuary at home, so be brave, choose the white sofa. You don't need to worry about what your kids, what your dog's going to do to these lovely soft tones. You can clean them really easily, you don't need to be fearful, and you can really live life on your furniture at home with no fear. So I hope that shows you how simple the process is of cleaning these beautiful products. They're really exquisite. We're going to be adding significantly to our FibreGuard offering in both Mokum and James Dunlop, so it's something to look forward to as we go. You'll see more and more of it come through, and hopefully you'll start to feel a bit more confidence about using these types of gentle and inviting cloths on your pieces at home. Thanks for joining us. Tune in next week for another exciting update from us, and as always, jump on the blog, post any questions below, or contact us directly if you'd like to know a bit more about this product. You'll find some great information on the website. Thanks everyone. Bye.